Hey guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, here with something a little bit different today for these 2020 brand new heavy-duty GMC trucks. We've traditionally gone with the Zone 5-inch lift kit for those dealer builds. However, today we are going with the 3-inch Cognito kit. This is considered a leveling kit because we really didn't do any work out back. We just changed out the shocks. We didn't change any blocks, we didn't change any leaf springs or anything like that. The kit comes with upper control arms and the Fox 2.0 monotube shocks all the way around. The lift in the front, or the level achieved, is from the included torsion keys. The wheels are a fuel vector in a 20x10 with a positive 20 offset in matte black. And of course the tires are the Kenda Klevers. Haven't heard that from us before, right? The owner of this truck was actually really excited about the ride of this truck as we were even just driving around the neighborhood and into the lot where we filmed at. He said that he's had some Toyota Tacomas on cheaper lift kits that didn't even ride as good as this thing. That is a glowing review for a heavy duty truck that's traditionally a lot stiffer than those medium duty trucks. Alright guys, as always, it is a blast making content for you guys. Thanks for clicking ads and liking our content. It really helps us keep doing what we're doing. Peace.